Welcome to the Coding with Kids channel. Unveiling Java and Spring Boot. Do you want how to world of Java programming? Explore the depth of Spring Boot and create powerful applications. Yes. Welcome to the Coding with Kids channel. Well, you are in the right place. Join us and thrilling journey broke down the programming to its basics and show you how to wield the incredible power of Java Spring Boot. In this channel, we will take you by the hand and guide you through every step from understanding the fundamental of programming to write your first line of code, to build full-fledged applications, and mastering Spring Boot magic. But this channel is not just about coding, it's about building a community of passionate developers. Here you can ask questions, share your knowledge, and collaborate with like-minded individuals. So whether you are newbie stepping into the world of coding or experienced developer looking to level up your skills, join us on the exciting adventure. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on coding journey together. Coding with Kids, unveiling Java and Spring Boot, where programmers meet passion. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your fellow code enthusiasts. Let's build a bright coding future together.